Welcome to Apex Learning Tutorials. With tutorials, you will study, watch videos, practice, and then demonstrate your knowledge and skills by completing online assessments. In this video, you will learn how to access your tutorial, navigate units, modules, and activities, and complete your work. After signing in, you are taken to the My Dashboard screen. Get in the habit of checking the announcements area for important information from your teacher, like which modules you should complete and study tips. Select a title to launch the tutorial window. If your tutorial isn't listed, select Filter and choose All. If you still can't find it, contact your teacher or program administrator for help. Apex Learning Support cannot enroll you into tutorials.
Tutorials are organized into units. Each unit has several modules, and each module covers several learning objectives. Every module has 4 activities: learn it, try it, review it, and test it. You can take these activities in any order, at your own pace, which allows you to approach the instruction in the way that works best for you. Need help finding a specific module assigned by your teacher? View the tutorial outline to see all units and modules within the tutorial.
The Learn It begins by listing the module objectives. Each objective leads to instruction with interactive exercises, so you learn by doing and can apply new skills immediately. Plus, you get instant feedback so you'll know what you do know and what you don't. The Try It presents an increasingly difficult series of practice opportunities designed for you to demonstrate your knowledge in different ways. It's not scored, so you can evaluate your understanding and build your confidence before moving on to scored assessments. The Review It is a short, high-impact instructional video that covers the objectives in a fresh format with relevant and interesting examples. If you are a visual learner or want a quick overview of everything covered in the module, you might want to start each module by watching the Review It. When you feel comfortable with the material, move to the Test It. The Test It evaluates your mastery of the objectives. This is the only scored activity within each module, and you only get 3 attempts per Test It.
If you need to review an entire unit, your teacher may assign the unit pretest. The pretest will test your knowledge on the grade-level topics in the unit, and also the prerequisite concepts that are needed to master grade-level content. Taking the pretest will automatically generate a personalized learning plan, directing you to the modules you should focus on. You only get 1 attempt per pretest, and can always view your results from the unit overview page. Based off your performance, you may be prescribed additional modules called supporting topics. Supporting topics are additional modules containing prerequisite concepts that are needed to attain mastery of grade-level concepts. These supporting topic modules are the exact same format as other modules containing Learn It, Try It, Review It, and Test It activities. Toggle between recommended supporting topics and all of a unit's supporting topics by clicking Recommended or All. Please note, supporting topics may not be available to you, depending on how your teacher has set up the tutorial. If you cannot see any supporting topics, please contact your teacher or site coordinator for more information.
After you complete all the modules in a unit, your teacher may want to assess your knowledge by having you take a summative post-test. The post-test is locked until you have attempted the Test It for all modules in the unit, or you have tested out by earning 100% for those module objectives on the pretest. You get 3 attempts per post-test. Tutorials are designed to be flexible so that you can personalize your learning and use them in a variety of ways. Whether it's to review for a test, recover a unit, complete an assignment, interact with concepts in a new way, or deepen your understanding. So what's next? Now that you know how, take a few minutes to explore tutorials. Look at the unit and module names. Have you been learning about any of these topics already in class? Do you know where to start? If not, ask your teacher where you should begin. Then, get started. If you aren't sure how to perform a task, select the question mark at the top of any tutorial screen or select Help at the top of the My Dashboard screen. In the Help window, search or browse for how-to information and videos